You join me here for a game of darts of 501. If you're not sure how to play 501, I've never played it, then check the resources folder for the rules on how to play 501. So without any further ado, double to start, double to finish. Let's get started. Three lots of 5, which equals 15, plus 1, plus 4, 5, 6, 10, carry the 1, 20. Take away 20, 1, 10, 2 from 10 leaves 8, bring the 4 down. This time we've got 4 plus 20 plus 12, which equals 6 and 3, 36. Take away 36. So take 1 and 10 over there, so 10 plus 1 is 11, 6 from 11 is 5, 3 from 7 is 4, 447. This time we have 10 plus 2 plus 3. 2 and 3 is 5, 10 is 15, take away our 15, 0, 3, 4, 430. So this time we've got 3 lots of 5, a 9 and a 4. So we've got 3 times 5, which is 15, plus 4, plus 9. 5 and 4 are 9, and 9 make 18, 28. So I'm going to take off 28, so 10 take away 8 is 2, 2 take away 2 is 0, bring the 4 down. So this time we've got 9 and 6 and 10. So 9 plus 6 plus 10, 9 and 6 is 15, 25, take away the 25, so it's going to be, there was 3 over here, 10 there, there's 9, 12, so 12 take away 5 is going to be 7, 9 take away 2 is 7, bring the 3 down. So this time we got 5 and 7 and 17. So 5 plus 7 plus 17. 7 and 7 14, and 5 makes 19. 29. Take away 29. So I need to borrow 1 from there. 17, take away 9 is 8, 6 take away 2 is 4, and 3. So this time we've got 3 12s, 3 5s, and a single 5. So 3 times 12 equals 36. 3 times 5 equals 15. And our single 5, add them all up. So 5 and 5 is 10 and 6 makes 16. 3, 4, 5, 56. Take away 56. 8 take away 6 leaves us 2. 4 take away 5 we can't do, so we've got to borrow a 10. So 14 take away 5 leaves us 9. 2 comes down. This time we've got a 4 and 2 13s. So 13 times 2 equals 26. Plus 4, it's going to give us 30. Take away 30. 2, 6, 2. This time we have a 3, a 13 and a 4. So 3, 13 and 4. 3 plus 3 is 6 and 4 makes 10. 1 plus 1 is 2, it's 20. Take away 20. It's 2, 4, 2. 2, 4, 2. So this time we've got a 14, a 12, and a 15. So we have 14, 12, and a 15. So 4 and 2 is 6, and 5 is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 41. Take away our 41. 2 take away 1 is 1. 4 from 4 leaves 0. 201. And this time we have triple 18, a 13 and a 6. 18 times 3, or 3 8s is 24, 3 1s is 3, that gives us 54. We've got a 13 and we've got a 6. Add those together. 10 and 3 is 13. 5, 6, 7, 73. Take away 73. So we've got to borrow a 10. So we've got to borrow another 10 from there to go over here. So 11, take away 3, is 8, 9, take away 7 is 2, bring 1 down, 128. Okay, so we've got a triple 20 and an 18, so 60, 78 and 8. So we're going to be getting pretty close. So we've got 20 times 3, so 60. We've got an 18 and we have an 8. Add those up. 8 and 8 is 16. 6, 7, 8, 86. 8 take away 6, it's going to leave us 2. 12 take away 8 is going to leave us 42. Then we've got to finish on a double. So 42. Oh, I don't know. Let's see if I can hit the 2. Hit the 2, so it leaves me 40 left, so it's double 20. So this time I got my 2. So I'm just going to take 2 away, it's going to leave me 40. So I want double 20. Hit double 20. So 20 times 2 equals 40. Take away my 40, this is 0. And that's how you play 501 darts. And this is the calculations that you're going to need to do and record this evidence for your basic fundamentals task. Alright, hope you enjoyed playing 501. Remember to record your results and all will be good.